Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into making the press on nail set, I did want to go ahead and show you guys this package that Madam Glam went ahead and sent over to me, and I just picked a few gel polishes out. The first color I received is this beautiful gray color called Visionary. This is actually the beautiful color that we're going to be using in today's press on nail set. As you guys could see, it's a very beautiful, like, muted gray. The next color I got was this beautiful shade called New Quest, and it's kind of like a very light mint color. It's super gorgeous. This is the next color I got, and I did go ahead and swatch these glitter colors just because, I don't know, I've never seen gel polishes that look like this. This reminds me of like a granite stone, so it's super gorgeous. This is the next shade that I got as well. It's a super gorgeous shade, and it's so perfect for the upcoming season, fall. And as you guys can see, it just has like those little gold flakes in it, and like some little like glitter flecks in it. Super pretty. And like I said, I'm super excited to add this to my collection because I have no gel polishes with colors like these. This is the last gel polish that I picked up. It's called Set in Stone. And again, very beautiful shade, and that's it swatched. The next thing that I received are some of my favorite things from Madam Glam. If you guys are going to pick up anything, I recommend their paint pots. And I got it in gold and in vintage. As you guys could see, I love these because they cure with no sticky layer, so you don't need no top coat over these. They cure literally perfectly, like not sticky at all. But now jumping into the press on nail set, I'm going to be taking that Visionary color, and I'm going to be applying this shade on the thumbnail, and look at how beautifully that goes on. This color, honestly, you guys, you do not need two coats, but just because I'm used to putting on two coats and it builds the nail up too in terms of thickness, I did go ahead and apply a second layer over this as well. But look at how beautiful that is with just one coat. Next, I'm going to be taking this Vanillisa gel polish in the shade Nude Pink, one of my favorites, you guys. This is literally a gem, and I'm going to be applying this on the index fingernail. Next, I'm going to be taking this brand of gel polish. I don't know how to say it, but it's in the color 2, and I went ahead and picked this up on Shein, I believe. And I'm going to be painting this on the pinky nail. Look at how gorgeous that gold like glitter is. It's so beautiful. But here I am going in with the second layer of all the colors over all the nails. Now I'm going to be taking a nail art gel like liner gel polish, and this is just a very like light orange color, and I'm going to be creating a little pumpkin on this nail. So as you guys could see, this is super easy to make. You just want to make these two little like humps or like lumps or bumps. You just want to make these two little like hills on the nails, and then go ahead and fill that in. And I am going to be creating a little pumpkin on the middle fingertip as well. For the index fingernail, I'm going to be creating a plaid nail. So I'm just going to be taking some of this orange color, and I'm just going to be doing a little line going across the nails. I'm also going to take a white liner gel polish, and I'm going to be creating some more lines on that plaid nail as well. Once that is all cured, I'm going to be taking my iGel Beauty Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to be applying this on all the nails except for the pinky nail. On the pinky nail, I'm going to top that off with a shiny gel top coat. Now I'm going to be taking my Madam Glam gel paint pot, and this is the vintage chrome shade, super beautiful shade. And I'm going to be creating the little details on my pumpkins using this right over that already cured matte gel top coat. These are literally perfect, like I've been saying, because they cure with no sticky or like no tacky layer. So you could just apply this right after you top coat your nails, and the effect is so beautiful, especially on a matte nail. Like, it just stands out so much more. But yeah, so I'm just creating these little lines that pumpkins have. Super easy design and perfect for fall. And I'm just doing these little lines like that. As you guys can see, I do turn the nail over from time to time just so I could get like the better lines. But yeah, so there I go, creating that little stem. And you could create your pumpkin however you want. I try to do here a little like a little twirly stem. But yeah, you guys, so I went ahead and did this to both of my pumpkins, and then when I was done with this, I added a little line to my plaid nail as well using this Madam Glam vintage paint pot. Last minute, I decided to create these little tiny stars on that ring fingernail as well. I just thought that it really completed the look, and this is my finished product. You guys could definitely add gems if you like to this set. I think it would look beautiful with gems, but I try to keep it more on the simple side. So this is the finished result, you guys. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.